What if I told you that one of the most recommended habits after 60, something almost everyone trusts, could quietly be making you weaker instead of stronger? It sounds wrong, right? Walking every day is supposed to be the safest, smartest thing you can do. It's gentle, low impact, and doctors recommend it all the time. Millions of older adults rely on it as their main, sometimes only, form of exercise. And let's be clear, walking is good. But here's the part most people never hear. A 2019 study from the University of Waterloo revealed that normal walking activates only about 32% of the gluteus maximus, the largest and most powerful muscle in your body. That means nearly 2/3 of this critical muscle is barely being used. Even more surprising, people who relied only on walking continued to lose muscle stability and protective strength year after year, even though they were staying active. That's not a small detail, that's a warning sign, because the people who thought they were being the most careful were often the ones losing strength the fastest. And here's what really matters today. There's one simple movement, something so basic most people overlook it completely, that plays a huge role in balance, independence, and strength. Ignore it long enough, and that's when getting up from a chair gets harder. When balance fades, when independence slowly slips away without you even noticing when it started. Today, we're going to change that. Today, we're counting down 5 essential exercises every adult over 60 should know, especially if you want to stay strong, steady, and independent. These movements are backed by real science, designed to protect your joints and focused on glute strength, one of the most important and most neglected areas in senior fitness. Let's start from number 5 and work our way to the one that could change everything. Number 5, step-ups. This might look simple, almost too simple, just stepping onto something slightly higher than the ground. Most people don't even think of it as exercise. But here's the reality. Your ability to step up using one leg is one of the strongest indicators of real-world strength and fall risk after 60. If you're not training it, you're slowly losing it. Step-ups activate your glutes, your hips, your core stabilizers, the exact muscles you need to climb stairs, get into a car, or catch yourself if you trip. A 2021 study from the University of Florida found that adults over 60 who practiced step-ups just twice a week for 6 weeks improved single leg strength by 27% and stair stability by 33%. No machines. No heavy weights. Just controlled movement. To do it safely, use a low step, about 6 to 10 inches. Place your whole foot on the step. Press through your heel, and lift yourself up without rushing. Hold on to a wall or chair if needed. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 8 reps per leg. Every step you take isn't just movement, it's a signal to your body. I'm still strong. Number 4, glute kickbacks. At first glance, this looks almost too easy to matter, just lifting your legs slightly behind you. But don't let that fool you. As we age, one of the first things we lose is proper hip extension, meaning your glutes stop doing their job and your lower back starts compensating. That leads to tightness, discomfort, and poor posture. Glute kickbacks retrain your body to activate the right muscles again. A study published in the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy showed that targeted glute activation improved walking confidence and balance in adults over 65 in just 4 weeks. Here's how to do it. Stand behind a chair, keep your back straight, and slowly lift one leg behind you without arching your lower back. Hold for a second, squeeze your glute, and return slowly. Do 10 to 12 reps per leg. It's not about height, it's about connection. This small movement can make a huge difference in how you walk, stand, and feel. Number 3, the glute bridge. Now this one surprises people, because you're lying down and it doesn't feel like real exercise. But don't underestimate it. The glute bridge is one of the most powerful movements for strengthening your hips, improving posture, and reducing back pain. It teaches your body to lift using your glutes instead of overloading your spine. A clinical trial published in the Journal of Orthopedic and Sports Physical Therapy found that adults over 55 who added glute bridges to their routine experienced a 42% reduction in lower back pain and a 35% improvement in mobility after just 8 weeks. Here's how to do it. Lie on your back, bend your knees, feet flat on the floor, tighten your glutes, and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds. Then lower slowly. Repeat 12 to 15 times. It may feel gentle, but it's rebuilding strength from the ground up. Number 2, seated band abductions. This is the invisible strength most people never train. It targets your side glutes, the muscles responsible for stability when you stand, walk, or shift your weight. When these muscles weaken, your body starts to wobble, your knees take extra strain, and your fall risk increases. A study in the Aging and Balance Journal found that hip abduction strength was the #1 predictor of fall recovery in adults over 65. Not speed, not reflexes, strength. To do this, sit in a chair, place a resistance band above your knees, and slowly press your knees outward. Hold briefly, then return. Simple, but incredibly powerful. Do 12 to 15 reps for 2 to 3 sets. Every rep is building stability you can feel in your daily life. And now, number 1, the most underrated, most powerful, and most avoided exercise on this list. The Bulgarian split squat. Yes, the name sounds intimidating, but the movement itself, when modified, is one of the best things you can do for strength, balance, and independence after 60. This exercise trains your body to stabilize on one leg, something you do every single day without realizing it. Walking, turning, stepping, all require single leg control. When you avoid this type of movement, your body loses it. But when you train it, everything changes. Stand a couple of feet in front of a chair, place one foot behind you on the chair, and slowly lower yourself using your front leg. Keep your chest up and push back up through your heel. Start with 6 to 8 reps per leg. Use support if needed. Go slow. Focus on control. This one movement can rebuild strength, correct imbalances, and restore confidence in how you move. And that's the real goal here. Not chasing youth, but reclaiming your strength. Because after 60, your body doesn't reward intensity, it rewards consistency. You don't need to run marathons. You don't need heavy weights. And you definitely don't need to compete with anyone else. You just need the right movements, done regularly, with intention. The glutes aren't just muscles, they're your foundation for independence. They help you stand, walk, recover, and stay upright when life gets unpredictable. So the next time someone says, just walk more, you'll understand something deeper. Walking is a great start, but strength is what keeps you going. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these exercises surprised you the most? Have you ever struggled with balance, back pain, or weakness, and realized it wasn't just aging? Drop your story in the comments. Someone out there might need to hear it today, and if you found this helpful, take a second to like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more, because your next chapter doesn't start at the doctor's office, it starts when you move.